Hi there! In this video, we will cover customer contracts. Customer contracts in TechMan allow you to apply specific pricing structures to individual customer accounts, helping you manage agreed labor rates and product pricing with accuracy and consistency. There are two methods to setting up customer contracts. Let's first look at contract templates. First, open up the Customers section and click on Contract Templates. From here, we can click the blue plus icon or the New Contract Template button on the right side. Let's name this contract template Trade 20%, as we would like to give a 20% discount for our trade customers. Here, you can enter a start and end date if you wish to only run the contract for a certain amount of time. You can at this point choose the contract type, whether you wish to apply the discount to labour or products. For this example, let's give them a 20% discount on MOT and service labour types. You can also set a markup or discount for the individual labour unit instead of the whole labour type here at the bottom. Just type in the individual labour unit and press Add. Now that the contract has been set up, we can add this to a customer contact. Let's open up this test customer here by clicking Edit on the right-hand side. Under the Customer Contracts section, we can then choose to add the contract template we just set up using this drop-down on the left. This template can then be used for multiple different customers. The second method is to add the contract straight onto a customer contact. In the same section, you can see that labour contract and product contract can be added. Let's add a brake pad set under products, as this customer frequently comes back for brake pad changes. Please note, compared to contract templates, you can only set the contract price and not a percentage markup or discount. Alongside this difference, you are only able to add in the individual contracts rather than for the whole labour type or product category. Once added, the page will update with the new contract. Let's see this in action. Open up a job for this customer and scroll down to labour units and products. Add in the MOT4 labour unit, and as you can see, this has been automatically discounted by 20%. Now for the brake pads. Once we've added this product, you can see this is set to the contract price we have just added for this customer. And there we have it. Thanks for watching! Be sure to use this easy method to set customer contracts. If you found this helpful, do check out our other videos for more useful tips. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.